Okay, so let's see. Does it you can understand me, you can see me?
Oh, you recording yourself, not recording the screen, right?
No, I'm gonna record the screen also when it's necessary. Okay. And the thing that you can see now is only you and me. Okay, now today as we
Do I have to log in too?
no. Today, I mean, it's better if you can also do the thing with me. It's gonna be better so that we can work the things together. You have also TryHackMe in your I mean, you have an account in TryHackMe, right? Yeah. So
Because that's how we're doing all the lab,
yeah.
right?
So if you go in there, then we can do it together, and you can actually learn the things that is necessary. At the moment, I am also sharing the screen so that other people can see what we are actually doing here. Okay. So what happened here? Okay. Someone did it here. Who did it here? Okay. Okay, what we are doing now, before we go forward, we need to understand one thing very important, right? And that is whenever we are getting the CTF or any problem in our real life, how actually you are going to think, right? So I have actually
How does it go?
what?
The CTF?
It's called like this, Pickle Rick.
This one, right?
Yes. So please have a look in the screen. The thing, very important thing is when we are thinking as a pen tester, okay? Then we think in how actually we will process, okay? If you look in there, in the screen now.
Do I have to start the
No.
machine, right?
Yeah, start the machine and start the IP address also. So you need the start sandbox and IP address. There you go. Okay, so if you look in there, right there.
It's loading.
So if you look in here, look, how will you think before you go anywhere? Okay, we will think like how actually we are going to think. We're going to think like this. First of all, we need an IP address to work with, right?
So you will go to
So,
terminal.
so wherever you're going, you're doing the reconnaissance, you can doing the finding out the information, and you find the IP address of that person, right? So that's my victim. Now, after knowing that about the victim, what are you gonna do? You're gonna go in depth. We're gonna go in depth, right? So let's give an example. If you have this one, okay, in here, our IP it is given here 10, 67, 135, 146, right?
Oh, that's we
Yeah.
already have the IP, okay.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we have opened in our attack box, yeah, sandbox. What I'm doing, I have opened the IP address. Sorry, yeah, command prompt. What's gonna be next step?
After you get the IP address, we're gonna scan
We're gonna scan using
Nmap.
Nmap. And what are the things that we have learned earlier? This one
SB or SB.
sorry, SB, right? And then yeah, we can give A also. Let's just keep it as simple as possible, okay? And then we are giving the P also, so all the ports, right? And we are giving that IP address. We are keeping that thing here. All right, so it started doing the scanning all the stuff. That's the first step that we do. After that, what? So after that, after that, when you get the ping or Nmap, because Nmap already has a ping in there, right?
For the
It's gonna give you some information. You're gonna get information about the ports and what are the services available. At the same time, if any other service that especially attract your attention, right? So you are going to do those things. So I have given this like this here. So you are getting the IP address, you are doing the ping to check if it is alive or not. And after that, you are doing what? If it is alive, you're going for the next step. If it's not alive, you're going to check your connections. Now, after that, what's going to be happening? When you have got a result, so you have three different things to think about. One is the port, one is the service, another one is what other services are available there, right? So over there, we got something here, right? We got 22 and 18. My question, 22 is for what? 22 is for what? What services provides?
what's it?
Okay, 22 provides the SSH, as you said.
SSH, yeah.
SSH, right? And that's for 22. And for 18, it's HTTP.
HTTP,
And now, whenever you are getting that SSH stuff, then you're thinking like this: you need two stuff to get in there using that one. One, you need the user. You need what? A user. And on top of that, you need also a password. At the moment, do I have that? No. So we are not going to go for that one. We're going to go for something different. What? HTTP. Now, whenever you have the HTTP, how do you think? The first thing is we would like to explore it, right? How you like to explore it? You want to know what is in the website? What is in the website? Sources. And when you know those two things, then you go for web enumeration, right? Now for the web enumeration, I have given a list in the WhatsApp group, right? But for web enumeration, we use GoBuster a lot.
GoBuster a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
Dicto.
A lot of things, but GoBuster we use a lot.
Yeah, GoBuster is the most like.
Yeah. So we have these three things to think about. So since we don't have any user password, so we're going to start with this one, right? So let's go. You also do in your computer. In that way, you will know about that. Where is that here? So we open. Come on, it's taking ages. We open a web page, right? And we try first to see what is inside there. So we put in there. And this is coming, right? What it says read properly and don't leave anything in there. Okay, so it says that help Morty. So Morty someone, right? So he wants the help. Hey, listen, Morty, I need your help. I have turned myself into a pickle again, and this time I can't change back. So I need you to burp. So he needs 3 secret ingredients to finish his pickle position, right? Pickle portion. Reverse it. So we have to find it out. Is there any connection here, any button here that I can click? No. So what can I do here? The first thing that comes in my mind is seeing that source code, right? So let's go in the source code. Where is the source code? Here is the source code. Now, over here, if you look in there, it starts from a doc type and it finishes at here. Okay, that tells type of that. Have you learned HTML by any chance?
What?
HTML?
HTML?
You haven't learned, right?
Well, yeah, I think so, yeah. We went through it a little bit.
Okay, but HTML, writing the HTML files are like this. Okay, when we have started learning our journey, we used to take a text file and we save that with the name .html, and we used to write the codes inside, make a page. Nowadays, we don't have to do it because we have a AI to do that from ourselves, right?
Yeah.
So it starts with that one. It starts with the HTML. It gives the language type you're telling,
English.
head, and all the stuff. All these things are coding, right? Is there any information that I have here that I can actually focus on? It says something here. What is that? I can't read there. Can you read? How to zoom in, zoom out? Anything here? I think this one, right? Does anything? Zoom in. We need to read that. Let's see. Here, now you can see. Okay, if you look in this one, what can you see here? You can see here, it says that not to self. That remember username, that one. So we got one information here. What is that?
Username.
What is it called?
Rick,
R.
I, capital I. C.
Can't read it. You can read it?
Yeah.
Okay, I am just copying it.
Yeah.
So I open a text file. So let's open txt text notepad. Open the notepad. I just hope that it opens something here. Why doesn't it open? Okay, fine. If it doesn't open here, then what we are gonna do, we're gonna click something here, new, and then we're gonna text document. We're sending that, what's that called? Rick Pickle, right? Rick Pickle. Okay, and we are putting, what happened? Oh, it doesn't work anymore. Okay, fine, very good. Then what can we create? We can create a Word file. Okay, so we're going to do that one, open it, and we are putting that thing that we have got here. What we got? The username, that one. Go away. Go away. What's happening here? Control V. Nothing is working here. Okay, you write down somewhere. I'll take a picture that we can do work on that. Okay, so we have got this one. Now, what else can we do? We have got one important information, right? What can we do now? So we have checked the source and we got some information, and we have checked the other things. So after that, we want to exploit. But when we're doing the CFT, the CTF, nothing, CTF, one thing is very important, which is called robots.txt. Always check that. Okay, why? Because robots give you information that the user or creator wants that you don't have, go there, don't try it ever. Okay, so he wants to give himself some information that actually tells him that you don't do that anymore. Okay, so we go backward and we try the robots. Robots.txt. What is that? Something. Something, all right? So only this one, what it can be? It can be a sign, it can be password, it can be anything.
Or it could be one of the ingredients.
You never know. So we keep that one in our mind also. Why? I mean, I need somewhere to write down. It doesn't have any fuck.
You good. You good. Use the notes. It's not coming up.
Now it's not coming up. All right, let's say I don't have
Let's read.
password. I don't have the password, and I don't want to log in myself here. What else can we have here?
Use the note. Click the notepad again.
Yeah, it's not taking me.
Use launch it as administrator with administrator. Run as administrator. The top.
Not
That's weird.
So that Hubululu, that one another thing that we can get. Okay, so we are keeping these two things. Now we have got two informations from there. Now after that one, we'll go for GoBuster. But the GoBuster, I'll try to get more information. Right? We want to know about all those things. What is that called? So how to check this one here. So when you're writing the GoBuster, how are you doing it? Go Buster. Then deer. Right? Then what else? Sure. Help me. Go in your computer. Tell me. What is the code I can write it down? Go Buster, deer, and then you, and then maybe that one. It is the here. After that, we need a file to also work on it, right? What is that? Was user share. I forgot that link. I gave you the link. Remember? Can you bring it out? Is user share and then word lists, then drb, then common.txt. That's what we have done, right? Okay. What else can we use? We can let's try this. Let's see how it does. No, it doesn't work.
The USR share word list there common.txt.
Okay,
And
we haven't written one thing here.
Did you use?
We haven't written one thing here, and that is before dir, there will be no that mark, and over here we have to write
You
down.
can use the website too.
Yeah, what is that? Tell me that.
Go Buster there /u and the website HTTP.
This is HTTP, right? So
Yeah,
HTTP and then colon, then that one, right? Let's try.
Yeah, that colon twice, right? You used it? Hold on.
Check. Have we written that?
No. Because you.
It says error on pursuing argument.
Yeah.
We haven't written the things properly. So sorry. So we again try here. We have to give here a sign like this. Now it's working.
It worked?
Yeah, it worked.
What was missing? What was missing?
It was missing. If you look in here.
But the HTTP.
Over here.
The
right?
space.
Why is it so small? If I go down here, can you see? Here.
Word list.
Over here, when you have given that over here, that
The little space.
the backslash.
The backslash. Okay.
Yeah, we haven't used that one over there. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have done that, yeah, but it is not telling us everything. So we would like to.
You have to start.
We have to exploit more. So we'll give X and we'll give PHP type, and then we want HTML type, and then we want text type, everything. Let's see. Oh, now it shows me a lot of stuff. See, now we have
use log to back.
We have a lot of things, right? Now we have everything a lot. Now we can see we have a lot of stuff. We have specified that, okay, tell me the PHP file, we tell me the HTML file, tell me text file, all those stuff we have specified it. Then it has got more. See? If you look in the previous one, it didn't show me that much. Look in there. See? The previous one, when you only say that what to do, it didn't show me a lot. It just showed me a few. Text file, HTML file. Okay, but next time, when we actually use the second part, it showed me a lot of stuff. But it is also giving me ideas that there are some robots tag that we already have checked. Login PHP, so is one important thing. So first time. So we have one thing here which is called login. And what else it says here? Portal, login. So for me, important is login, right? For me, important is login. Now, we have found two things earlier. One is the something like that. Another one is the recall something. Now we'll try both those informations here. Whatever works. Okay. First, we will try the SSH. What are we gonna try? How to change that here? Here. Okay. So why is opening? I don't want to open. Is it gone? Okay. So
Have to open a new tab.
no problem. So SSH, what happened? It's not writing it anywhere. Oh, here. So we can try, but it's not writing anything. Is it connected? Yeah, it's connected. Then why is it not connected? Bro, what happened here? Something is not working. Let's try this way. Can you see why it's not happening? Mouse is working, but this one is not working. You can open it back again. Why do we need that handle here? We can put it here. Right? Is it working here? Yeah, it's working here. Why not here? Okay. So this is not working in the SSH. Look here, it's not working here. You know why? See? I have changed that in here. It's not still clicking it. Should I restart it? It's working here.
You're
So
working
here it's
here?
working. It's not working there. So that might be a problem here. Okay. Close it and open it from now. Yeah. Obviously. Okay. So we're gonna try this like here. SSH. Okay. And for writing the SSH, you need a syntax. What is that? SSH, and then you have to give the user ID. Okay, user ID, and then @ and then the IP address, and then the password. Okay, but we don't have any password.
Well, we can try the one that we found.
Okay, let's try. So, what was the name? Ricky something?
No. We said the user first, right?
Yeah, the user that we found somewhere. What was that? It was here, right?
User workers, yeah.
And here,
No, Robert TSP, no.
that one.
Oh, there you go, yeah, read rules.
So we copy that one from there. We put it here. And we also got we have to write down @ and the IP address. So we're putting the IP address here. Okay. Now it's supposed to ask me the password. Yeah, it says something. Continue connecting. Yes. So if I give,
Yes.
if I say yes, it's just finishing it. So it needs something different. We use call key, and then we don't have the key. So we have to go for something different. So the SSH is not going to work, right? So we go here and we try to do something different. We take this one. I don't want you here. I don't want that either. I just put that here and we try login. Login is it .php?
I think,
PHP. Yeah, have a login page. So we are gonna put those things again. So find out where is that. I don't need this. I can take it out. I can come here and take this and put it here. And I found something else where here. And I put it here. Ah, it worked. But it is taking us to something different, which is called the command panel. That means I can do something to know who is in the command. Sorry, I can run this command panel inside that thing. It's a very big vulnerability. It's a very big vulnerability.
I know, because you
Yeah.
can now really find
Yeah.
information.
Now, if I say who am I, it's gonna tell me what is the name of the user. It's www.
Data. Yeah.
It's not a good thing. If I say Alice, it says me, oh,
2%. Oh.
we got something, yeah?
No, this one right here.
Yeah. So that is one thing, that is another thing, that is another thing. But robots we have used already.
Yeah, we know, because you already used it, remember?
Yeah. So robots.
Oh, TST, that's where they store the patch.
Yeah. So we don't need that one.
We
will
don't need
this.
this one either, because we already used it.
So we need that one and that one.
Yes.
Let's see. What is this? So how can we do it? We can do it in two different ways.
We use the Linux commands, right?
No, we can do two different ways. One, we can open it from here. Okay. Two, we can open it in the browser.
You
Now-
mean you open the
Look
terminal
here.
from there?
Look here, that one, we can just copy it. Okay, and we can go here, okay, and write it, sorry, we can go here and write it down here. One, and it's gonna take us to something. Ah, we got something.
Okay.
That's one way. I'm just talking about the ways, okay? That's one way. Another way is cat, and then that one.
Yeah.
That can be another option also.
Yeah.
But oh, it says I cannot use a cat. The cat is blocked. But we got the information anyhow.
Okay.
But is that the only option that we can do? Cat?
No, you can use less. There you go.
So we can use another thing which is called less. Okay, there's another one who's called tuck. Okay, but we got one information. Now we need to go for the another one, right? So we go for the ls again. And now we want to see clue.
Use less for that.
All right, so we can go for the less. And then that.
But you stack too.
Or it says look around the file system for the other ingredient. So we have got one ingredient already, right? And what is that?
The one you have right here on top? No?
Here.
Oh, you closed it.
I closed it?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. So sorry. Let's try it again. This one. And then what was that? That name, right?
You have to click do ls again. Open the top one.
And where's that one?
There you go.
So,
Mr.
oh, actually it is here. Okay, perfect. All right, fine. So we have this one and we have this one. Over here, I can say that this is not giving me any clue. It is telling me some information though.
It's telling.
It's telling
It's
you.
a message saying to look around, keep
Yeah.
looking around.
So that's not gonna work for me. So I have got one information. Now I need to
You
find.
got one ingredient. so
Yeah.
we have-
Now we have to find out the another ingredients. Now let's see. That's not giving me the information. So let's try different. LS. L.
Hold on. We haven't used photo though.
LS. No, it's not giving me the root. ls. Good. I have got, when I give the root command, okay, then it's telling me two names. That means they are different users. So we'll try them. So we'll say ls home, and then we'll try first Rick. Now, second ingredients, right? So what can we do here?
You do an ls inside of that user.
Let's try ls
Home, right.
Rick, Control V. No, it doesn't give me anything. Let's try again. ls home Rick, Control V, but this time I will use here that sign because it's space.
Who's the other next?
Does it say anything? It is taking me in the same place. We have to go in there. How can we go in there? If we do that one, no, it's not taking there. Oh, I didn't give the ls. What other way can I use? If I can go for less, will that give me anything? No. Find out something else. Is there any other command that we can use? ls didn't work. Sudo, will that sudo work?
Mm-hmm. Do sudo.
Sudo home Rick, Control V. Wait, we have given that one too much. No. Is there anything else that we can do? Did you find anything? We haven't tried the tag though. Let's try tag. Tag
Sudo dash L.
will be
No, I put permission.
tag. Yes,
What you use?
that is tag. I told you less tag cat. Three things.
So less didn't work.
Less didn't work. ls didn't work. The less so we use the tag. Look here. So what I used, ls didn't work, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look here, look here. TSC tag I used. But when I use a tag, you have to put all the path inside the inverted comma. Inside that, I have given that path, okay? And it found me Jerry tier. So one Jerry tier is another thing.
So another.
Yeah,
The other.
put in there, put in your list. So the first one we got what? First ingredient was Mr. what? Mr. What was the first one? Here. Mr. Missy here. Mr. You can see?
Mm-hmm.
That's the first one. Try first, that one. Okay, Mr. Missy here.
They both work.
Yeah.
Now we gotta find the last one.
Now the second one, what is the second one? Is one Jerry tier.
You already put it up.
You already put it here. So we need to find out the third one now. What is the third one? What can we do now? First of all, we saw that.
I don't know, this stuff's failed now. I know me.
Research.
No.
Okay, so that one is another one we have found. Now we have to find the third one. Where can I find it? So give me a solution. We have two. Is there anything we can find from here? So robot X, we have seen the clue. We have seen that one. We have find other things. What can we do? Any idea?
You wanna use logging?
Hmm? What? What can we do? We have already seen Mr. When we say that one, sorry,
Wait, what?
ls, what was the thing? Root.
Ubuntu, can we get into Ubuntu?
Yes, we haven't seen the Ubuntu. We have to go there. So ls,
Because remember that the user was that.
so we will try that one now.
Let's do Ubuntu.
So ls home
Home,
Ubuntu.
execute.
Ubuntu.
Back.
ls did we give a space? Home Ubuntu. No. Sudo
Use back.
l okay, it is telling me that as a user only that one can use that thing. Then what can I do? Sudo ls home Ubuntu. I'm writing something wrong. Let me copy that. Sudo, we say sudo, and then we say home. What can we do? Sudo ls it's not working. What can we do? How can we get in there?
Do you use sudo -u?
What?
Sudo.
We didn't, it is not working. So let's say
Sudo -u.
sudo -u.
Ubuntu -i.
Why dash u. Okay, so we are going to try.
You use already sudo l, right?
We try
It's
this
not
one.
working.
Sudo root. Let's see. Does it work? No. What can we do? Sudo shit. Sudo root. No. What can we try? Sudo less root. No. What can we try?
Sudo su.
Sudo, let's try this. Sudo list root. That worked. So it is telling us something else also. there's a text file and Snap. Snap, we know there's an app. We're not gonna use that one. We're gonna use a text one, right?
Mhm.
How? That can be, since you know that you have to do the sudo, then
Sudo.
we less,
Dash.
and then the space three
No, use
RD
less, use tag.
hack.
Yeah.
Okay. Sudo hack 3RD, right?
Mhm.
.txt. No. So we go back again where we were. And instead of doing that one, we use that one, 3rd.txt. And if we come here and use the less like this, will that work?
Mhm. Lead you.
We did it. So
I cannot.
I didn't get it.
Because it's not letting me use.
take the picture. Let's take the picture. That's it. Okay, so third ingredient, we also got it, right?
Yeah.
And this is tell us that it is done. Take a picture. After that, I'm closing it. The third ingredient. So none. So what actually we have done in this whole scenario?
Okay. Investigate. Use commands getting to users.
So we have followed.
Find information.
We have-
Reconnaissance.
We have done the reconnaissance. Okay, we have tried to find out information one after another, and we have followed those techniques. What are those techniques? Number one is that one. We try to get start with, where is that? Here. So that's the technique that we have followed. Right? What was the technique that we followed? We found the IP address, right? We find the IP address. So we start the IP address, then we scan it. We found something. From there, we tried the SSH, it did not work. And then we went for here for the 80, right? And then we gone through one by one the step. Okay. And when this one didn't work, we went there, that didn't work, we went there. Like this, we tried different thing and we found different information.
Yeah.
After finding the information, then we went to go for the GoBuster and find out about what are the hidden there, what are the given there, what is working, what is not working, all those stuff.
But we didn't use this one. That's what I was telling you.
Yeah,
Login. Login piece.
we have used that log.
We did?
How did you get the
Oh,
phone?
yeah, we did.
Yeah, we have used the login portal.
We did, because the thing is that we use the Robot TST and we find the information.
Yeah,
And we went,
command.
yeah.
And we talk about this is the vulnerability itself, right? So when you're having these things, how actually went one after another? That's the total thing that we actually have worked on this one. What we have worked on, we have started the IP address, we ping it. When you give the nmap, you know that it pings itself. So we come here, we found information, and then we go for the next step. So we find the vulnerability, we try to use whatever available things are, and we go for the next one, right? And if it didn't work, then we would have gone for the exploitation. We would have gone for the exploitation. And if there was an exploitation, then maybe we'll go for the next one, then maybe next one. If it doesn't work, it comes back, you come back here again, start from it. That's actually, to be honest, the phases, right? The first one is a reconnaissance, second one is the enumeration, third one is the exploitation. And then after you have done the exploitation, then what comes? Maintaining the control. five steps, remember? Reconnaissance, enumeration, gaining access, have as a maintaining access, and then the last one is what? Wiping the trace, right? Same way we are doing the same. This is pretty much what we do in all of them. So you know the rules, but it's not necessarily that it's gonna work for everything. But this is pretty much giving you idea what can you try. You saw that we have tried a lot of things, right? And finally got something and we used it. Okay, we tried, we didn't stop here. We did one, didn't work, go for the next, didn't work, go for the next, didn't work, go for the next, right? We have tried different stuff. But for doing that one, you need to know them first, right? So I have given you this one, not only you, all the, I have given you this one. Can you see? Look here, sir. I have given you this one in your group, okay? Over here it says what to use when. I have also given another one which says, okay, for doing the reconnaissance, what are the things you're going to use one after another, and you're going to use them, right? That's pretty much actually the way of doing the things. Yeah. Any question? So if that is true, then we are going to finish our recording here.